A lot of AI video generators out there create weird artifacts, blurry faces, or clips that just look totally fake. If you try to run those as ads, your conversion rates will plummet. But what if you could tap into the power of the latest generative models built right into a platform made just for media buyers? Today, I'm going to show you how to generate flawless, production-ready video creatives using the King 3.0 model right in your browser. So here we are in Max Fusion. AI-generated ads are getting better fast, but one of the biggest challenges is still making visuals that actually look high quality and production-ready. Inside Max Fusion, you can combine King 3.0 with their built-in Riz lip sync model to create realistic AI creatives without having to switch between different platforms. And one of the biggest advantages here is simply speed. Instead of spending hours rendering, fixing generations, or rebuilding scenes, the workflow is designed to take you from idea to finished creative much faster. And here we are inside the creation dashboard, selecting King 3.0 as the primary generation model. And compared to all the other AI video generators, the jump in visual quality here is immediately noticeable. So we've selected 3.0, and from here, you can start building scenes based on a winning ad concept, product angle, or existing creative structure. The process itself stays pretty straightforward.
Honestly, this serum is completely worth the hype.
But the quality of the output usually comes down to how detailed and intentional your scene descriptions are. The clips are rendered directly inside the workspace in high resolution, with much cleaner motion and fewer visual artifacts. And this is really where King 3.0 stands out. The movement, lighting, and overall realism feel significantly closer to production quality footage compared to earlier AI generations. So then we save that image and that footage, and then what we do is select the model we're going over. So we're selecting the UGC style actors generated with King. And then we're going to select the Riz module to map the performance onto the generated actor. This is where the combination of high-quality visuals and accurate lip sync starts to create something that feels much more realistic and usable for actual ad creatives. And then one thing that's still important, though, is positioning and scripting. Even with powerful AI tools, you still need real thought behind the ad angle, messaging, and structure. If the creative itself feels low effort, the final result usually reflects that. The goal should always be to create something you'd actually feel comfortable running in a real ad account. Once the scenes and lip sync clips are ready, everything can be assembled directly onto the project timeline. At this stage, it becomes more about pacing and making sure the visuals match the overall message. And ideally, all of this is being built around a manually written script that's properly researched and strategically structured. The AI helps accelerate production, but the core marketing angle still matters most. From there, what we need to do is just check through the script and make sure the script is good. If we have any more changes, we make them, and from there, the final export focuses on turning everything into a polished, production-ready ad creative. And overall, the biggest advantage here is just cutting down the time between concept, production, and launch without sacrificing quality. By combining King 3.0 generation with the built-in Riz lip sync system, Max Fusion makes it much easier to create realistic AI ads, UGC-style content, and high-end creative variations, all within a single platform. Ready to upgrade your ad creatives with the power of King 3.0? Click the link below to sign up for Max Fusion AI. Grab your tokens and start building high-converting ads today. Don't forget to hit the like button and tap subscribe. See you in the next one.